If you're looking to swap out the rear signal light bulbs on your 2026 Outback from these incandescent ones to LED bulbs, then you've come to the right place. So one of the things I don't like about our new 2026 Outback is the fact that these signal lights on the rear are still incandescent. I was hoping they would change that out with the new model, but they didn't. So I did swap out all the bulbs on our old Outbacks, and I'm going to do that with the rear bulbs on this new one. So it'll take the look of the Outback from this to this, and I'm going to show you how. So you're going to access the bulbs from inside here. You just lift up your lift gate. You're going to need to take off this cover. So it's just a little retainer pin here. Let's just kind of loosen that up and pull it out. And then this cover here, these are always tricky because you never know how they're put on. So this one gets removed by pulling it up. So just kind of hook your fingers underneath, push up, and it comes right out. And then you're going to encounter two bolts in here. These are 10mm bolts, so you can remove those. And then once you've done that, you're just going to pull the taillight to the rear, because the retainer, there's pins in here that are facing forward, and there's some pins on the side. I'll show you what that looks like. And you just need to pull the light to the rear like that. Then once you flip it around, you're going to access the bottom one here. Just turn it counterclockwise and it will come right out. Now actually, what you need to do is, this little wiring here is kind of clipped in, so you're going to need to remove that. Just pull it out. Be careful not to break those retainers off. And then once you have that wire pulled out from where that is sitting there, pull the socket out. That exposes the bulb, of course. Pop the bulb out. Get your new bulb. Now I will tell you this, I've had a couple of different bulbs in the past. These are C-light ones that I've just ordered, and you notice that the LEDs are on the sides and on the rear. So you want to make sure you get that type of bulb, because this is the other type that you normally get. I think these are lace fit, I think. So the bulb goes in the car like this, in this direction, and they disperse the light inside of the reflector. But you also want not a black spot in the middle of your light, right? So you need a bulb on the end of your light here as well. So that's why we went with these C-light ones, and they have a bulb in the rear. So these are also fan cooled, which is kind of neat. I don't think it really needs that as a signal light bulb, but anyways, pop that in. These seat really well too. And then put that inside. Actually, what you want to do, I will tell you this, when you're doing these LED bulbs, for some reason, sometimes you put them in the socket and they don't work. And then you take them out, rotate it, put them back in the socket, and they do work. So you just want to make sure, before you put all the light back in its place, that the bulb actually works before you put it away. So then it goes back in there. This socket will only go in there one way, because of the tabs, the way they are. Turn it to the right, of course, that seats it. Then you're going to put this wiring back in alongside of that socket, like that. And then these pins here and here go into here and here. And there's also these slots on the side here. Let's see if I can get that for you. There's two of these. There's one here and one there. They slide up into these ones that are on the side of the car. Then you just replace those bolts in there. Get them started first. Careful not to over torque that, of course. Then you're going to put your cover back on. It goes from the top down into place when you're putting it back, and then you put your retainer pin back in, Give that screw a little twist. And you're all set. There you have it, folks. That's the final product. I like the way the LEDs are instant on, instant off, as opposed to what the incandescent bulbs look like. And here's an example of that. They kind of go on softly and go off softly. It's not like an instant on and off. Plus, of course, there's much difference in the brightness. It's difficult to replicate that with a camera. If you know how cameras work, it's kind of hard to get what your eye actually sees. But trust me, these LEDs are way brighter than the originals. If this video was helpful to you at all, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos about the 2026 Outback, please subscribe. Until the next video, take care.